Simone Sharice here. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, make sure you are following my socials down below, and also make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that, and click the notification bell so that you never miss a video from your girl Simone Sharice. Started in this video, I decided that I wanted to do a try on haul with some wigs. Now usually I just do a straight up tutorial, show you guys how to do A, B, C, and D and the whole 9 yards, and I was like, you know what, let's try something a little bit different but still kind of fun. Okay, so I feel like it's always hard for you to choose your color. Like, there's so much different colors of blondes, browns, reds, whatever, and I feel like it's always so hard to choose a color. Today's video, I wanted to show you guys 3 different type of colors that I think fits us melanin girls. Now originally I did want to have 3 different shades of melanin. Like, I wanted to have like light skin, I wanted to have brown skin, and I wanted to have dark skin, so that we could all kind of like do like a you know, we all try on wigs and stuff and see which one looks the best. But due to everyone's busy schedule and everyone having to work, I'm just going to have to put them all on me. And if you guys remember, I always do my lives on Fridays. For the month of August, I said every Friday I'm gonna be doing a live video, whether I'm doing my hair, my makeup, or a girl talk. So last Friday was the first one, and this Friday about to be the second one. So make sure you're there or be square, 6 p.m. Friday. So until then, I'm gonna go ahead and try on all 3. So one of the things that I absolutely love, and I'm always like, for me, if I can get a unit that I have to do absolutely no work to, you already are a winner in my book, and you're a brand that I not only want to work with because I don't have to do any extra work, but you're also a brand that I would honestly encourage people to go ahead and buy. I feel like a lot of times people are like, I don't know how to do this, or I don't know how to do that, or all that work, oh my gosh. Like, a wig takes work. Point blank period. But it's even better when the unit comes already done for you, because you just minus like 2 hours off of your time, and all you really have to do is probably spend 1 hour to 30 minutes of installing, depending on what your technique is going to be, whether it's glue, hairspray, and if it's glueless, call it 10 minutes. Okay, I'm super excited to try them on because I literally just have to open the box and put it onto my fucking head, and for me that is the best feeling ever. Just saying. Up close, this is how the unit comes directly out of the box. I did not even hot comb it. I did not even straighten it. It just looks so amazing. Like, look at that. And it's already plucked for you. So it's plucked, the knots are bleached, and it's already styled for you. So you're literally just taking it out of the box and putting it straight onto your motherfucking head. Okay? So here. Oh, also there is a headband inside. It is also branded with the company's name, ROYALME. Now, if you don't like headbands and you're like, that is just not my thing, you can always unsnap it out. Like, always take it out if you're not a fan of headbands. But if you really want it to be glueless and stay in place, you're most likely going to need to use a headband. It's just the facts. Okay, so what I have for my hair is really simple. I have it in a ponytail. I didn't braid it. These days I'm over braids, so I'm like, hell to the no. Like, I'm tired of waking up every morning looking like ASAP Rocky or Bow Wow. So I'm like, no, no. I'll do a ponytail. These days I feel so much more prettier and cuter with my real hair. Like, it's not even funny. And I just been so, like, I haven't worn makeup and I haven't done my hair. But I feel so much more beautiful with my real hair. Like, a ponytail like this, I'm in love with myself like this. I feel gorgeous. My little rant. Okay, so I have my hair in a ponytail right now, and I am just going to braid it. So braid to the end. Now typically my ponytail would be lower because I don't want that little bump in the back, but we're just gonna try on. So let's go in for the kill with the first unit. Yes! So I'm gonna try the wig on first, and then we're gonna go into checking out the color and seeing what's what. Now, alright, so I'm gonna keep it real and all the way honest with y'all. I am not a fan of a super straight hairline. For me, it just looks like white chicks, and I'm just not a fan of that. So for me, I'm gonna probably just try to jag it up a little bit, just so that it's much more attractive to me. And I'm not even doing a lot. I don't want a lot. I just want it to be not as straight, because for me, it's the first thing I see. And I just, like I said, I feel like white chicks, and I feel like it's just even more like, bitch, what the hell is down on your head? Next, you want to go ahead and just cut your lace off. And so I'm gonna be using this. I would have used the scissors, but to be honest, I always lose my fucking scissors and I don't know where they're at. So now I'm gonna keep it real. Again, I'm gonna have to, it's because the way it was packaged and the way it was folded, I'm gonna actually have to just go in and kind of just tweak right here. Okay, so I had to do a little bit of tweaks. Like I had to curl some parts of it so that it was nice and even, and then I also had to just flatten the top a little bit more, which I did with my hot comb. I was gonna use my blow dryer, but I would have been here forever, and I was like, we need to hurry up. I love the color of this wig. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this one is not a part of my wig sale, which is August 23rd, by the way. Okay, so one thing that I really love about this unit, and I feel like this is how you choose your perfect unit, is if you're not a fan of color, you have to make sure, well for me, I like to make sure that the roots are dark and they're black. I feel like if you force it and you try to wear color straight from the root, it sometimes will make you feel uncomfortable. You won't really like the way you look and something will be a little bit off. For me, that's how it usually goes. So if you are not a fan of color, definitely always opt in for darker roots. And then if you are a person that likes color, but you're also scared to go ahead and go straight into the world of color, a nice gradient flow is what you're going to be looking for. So if you see with this unit, it's black and then it goes into a nice darker brown, and then the ends is where the color really is. So your color is there, but it's just not as in your face, but it's there. So the next unit I'm gonna try is a little bit darker, but it does have color starting from the root. Okay, so let's go straight into that unit. All right guys, so now we have wig number 2. Please excuse my audio, my phone is like on 1%, so I can't really use it as a mic anymore, but let's go straight into wig number 2. This one does have the fake scalp method, as you can see right here. So definitely take notes of that, and we're gonna see if there's much of a difference when I put the wig onto my actual head. Let's go ahead and slide that wig on. I actually love this color too. I like everything. Alright, so this one I am gonna have to go ahead and fix up a little bit because as you can see, the top is high. Now this hair is so silky. Like, I don't know how they get this hair to be so silky or where this hair even comes from, but it's so freaking silky. Like, I love the way it feels. Like, look at that. It feels amazing through my fingers. But let's go ahead and go straight into styling this, which I'm gonna do off camera. First of all, this is the second unit. Oh, I love it so much. I love, 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 love it. The hair is just so pretty. It has so much life to it. Now, for the color, I think the color is one of my favorites. And usually, I'm like always, I love the wig, and then I end up switching a lot. I feel like between this one and the first one that you guys just seen, I honestly would alternate only between these two. I haven't tried on the third one yet. But I love, 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 love this one. The length is perfect. I'm going to try to show you guys the back. It might go out of focus, by the way, though. So this is how the back looks. Did it go out of focus? I'm not sure. But I love this color. The good thing about this color, I feel like it's always hard to find a brand that can color hair perfectly. Like, especially with the blonde, because you don't want it to be like patchy or some parts high, some parts low. And I feel like this unit, the color was so perfectly flowing. Like, this was done amazingly. And like I said, guys, took it straight out of the box and just honestly flat ironed it and flattened the top, and that was all. I really just love this color. It's not loud, so if you do work in the office, if you are a professional, if you do, if you're a teacher, if you know, are in that corporate world, or just have a more like a conservative job, I feel like this one is perfect for you, perfect for the office. I feel like the second one is perfect for the office. I mean, the first one is great for the office as well, but this is more if you really want to be toned down and relaxed, like you don't want to have too much going on. So absolutely love this, love the length. I'm not sure what density this is, but this is the perfect density for any bob. It's not super thick and it ain't thin, okay? It's perfect, and look how it's just moving. Like, this is the one, okay? This is my everyday unit that I think I'm gonna probably be wearing all the time. Like, and then just look at the part. Like, look at that, look at that. I love it. Love, love, love it. All right, guys, so we got one more wig left, okay? So this one is actually longer, and this one has the least amount of color. So you can see the ends are actually a brown color, but there's pretty much little to no color. Very, very, very subtle. I'm gonna go ahead. This one does not have the fake scalp method, if you're wondering. It does have a headband. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and put this unit onto my head now. And I'm gonna probably style it off camera, but let me go ahead and see how this looks. Let's see what we have to do here. Woo! This is done for me already. Okay, I mean, they all are, but this is, guys, like, how do they do this? Like, look at the part. The part is just so light already on its own, and I don't even have a headband or a fucking part under here. Like, I just can't even understand how this, like, how is it possible? Let me go ahead and just, this is just so nice, and it's like already done and curled for you. I just want to go through and comb through it. Can you see the color in this? It's very subtle, very, very, very subtle. Like, if you really like hate color, or you want color but you really just want to dabble in it but not go too extreme, this one, hun. Let me go ahead and cut this lace off. Okay, so this one has a straight hairline, but it's not as straight. But I am going to go ahead and add my own little tweaks to it. I don't really care for when my hairline is pushed back like this. So I'm going to actually get my hot comb and pull this area part down forward. Oh, that was happening. And then I'm going to actually stick my combs into my hair for this one. Yo, combs hurt so much less when you don't have braids in. When you have braids, it's like painful. So I already have my hot comb nice and hot. My most favorite unit. Like, I freaking love this one. This one is the best one. All I did was hot comb it and bring the hair forward because it was pushed back, and I hate when it's like that. So I just combed it forward, and that was literally it. This is the length that it's at, so it's right underneath my boob. So I would, yeah, like right here. Like, if you stretch it out, it's like right here. It already came curled for me. All I did was take it literally out the freaking box and put it on my freaking head, okay? Love the color. Now, this color I've done before in the past. It's a nice chocolate brown. It's super, like, you kind of can't tell you have a color if it's at night, but at daytime it looks really nice, especially when the sun is hitting on it. Like, I feel like it was made for me. It was honestly made for me. And I'm always a fan of longer hair than I am shorter hair. I'm just not a huge fan of short hair, but I like to alternate between the bobs that I had and with this hairstyle. Now, with that being said, you guys must be wondering, these 3 units are not going to be in the wig sale, or not even a part of the wig sale, because I love them. Like, Royal Me, you got it you did your damn thing with all 3 of these units, okay? The color is on point, the fit is on point, the construction is on point. I don't have a fake scalp on this one and it's still on point, okay? The cut is on point, the curls are on point, everything is on point. I'm really, really, really impressed. It's been a minute since I've been super happy with like a unit that was sent to me. Like, don't get me wrong now, everything I review I usually end up liking, or I make myself tweak it to a point where it is so lovable and so likable, and I, you know, love to show you guys that. But with these 3 units, I'm not gonna lie, I am 1000% highly impressed with all 3. Like, absolutely love it. So with that being said, this one is probably my most favorite because this is my everyday wear. This is probably the wig I'm gonna wear to Vegas, to be honest. I was gonna do a leave out hairstyle, but I might just wear this. Honestly, I'm rambling because I'm so happy right now. When I'm happy, I ramble. But I love, 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 love this unit. Now, I'm curious to know which one you guys liked the most. Like, which unit was your favorite? Did you like the blonde bob, which was, well, let's call it a blonde wob because it's wavy and it's a bob. So let's say, did you like the first one, the second one, or did you like the third one? Let me know down below in the comments because I really, really, really want to know, and I'm super curious because I want to know if we're all on the same page here. I hope I helped you guys choose a color, like how to go towards choosing a color and which one you should go towards if you're shy, if you're not, or whatever the case may be. So I really hope I helped you guys out a little bit, and if I didn't, let me know down below what would you want me to do next time. Would you want me to have all different skin tones, or would you want me to have a try on wig party and I record it so everyone can see like what color might look good on their skin? Let me know because I'm really curious down below. But thanks for watching this video, guys, and I hope you guys go check out ROYALME. Everything will be down below for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.